Blast off Haze Rockets. My name is Dio. Today is May 16, 2017. The weather today will be sunny with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 66 degrees this evening. It should be a terrific Tuesday. Now here's Damien to share today's menu with. Thank you, Dago. Good morning. I am Damien. Today for breakfast, we will have kolaches, fruit juice, and milk for lunch. The cafeteria will be serving for your enjoyment steak fingers or chicken drumsticks, roll with potatoes, baby carrots, sliced pears, and fudge cookies. Please do not forget to bring lunch cards. Now here's Karina to spread some happiness.
Thank you. I'm Karina. Today I want to let you know that sometimes people make bad choices if they're mad, scared, or stressed. But throw a little love their way and bring out their best. What would you do to bring out their best today?
Thank you for the reminder. I am Brayden. Please stand for the pledges. Please face the American flag. Attention, salute, pledge. Please face the Texas flag. This week, 5th grade will lead the Shine Chant. This is 5th grade signing off. Please stay tuned for the rest of the rocket launch. Have a marvelous Tuesday.